What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get the downloader for your Fire TV stick. So basically, to get the downloader, what you want to do is go in the App Store. As you guys can see on my screen right now, the App Store is on the top corner to the right of my screen. So basically I'm going to switch across over to where you see App Store, or you can search for it in the search bar over to the left corner behind my profile picture. So basically I'm gonna click on the App Store right now, and I'm basically gonna click on search. Then what you want to type in is downloader. So as you guys can see right there, this downloader right here. Click on downloader. Then click on this downloader right here with this arrow pointing down. And what you want to do is to click on this download button right here. So basically being download the file in. Now once the download is complete, it will automatically install. Then you can open. So basically, as you guys can see right there, this is your downloader, and you can download any file with this downloader right here onto your Fire Stick. So basically you can browse the file that you have previously downloaded, or go to home, or you can go to settings depending on what you want to use the downloader for. So if you guys find this video helpful, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I create tech tutorial like these. So I hope you guys find this very helpful, and I see you guys in my next video. As always, peace out.